Ice cream. It's everyone's favorite treat. But did you know that beyond the usual chocolate and vanilla, there are some rare and unique ice cream flavors that are actually delicious? Today, we're counting down 10 of the most unusual yet surprisingly tasty ice cream flavors from around the world. We all know and love classic flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, but there's a whole world of flavors out there waiting to be discovered. Let's take a look at some of the rarest and most unique ice cream flavors that are surprisingly tasty. Alright, let's dive into the list. Matcha green tea ice cream, rich and creamy with a slightly bitter edge. Matcha green tea ice cream is a favorite in Japan and perfect for tea lovers. Lavender ice cream. Light and floral lavender ice cream is refreshing and gives you that calming garden-like taste. Honeycomb ice cream. Sweet and crunchy honeycomb ice cream melts in your mouth and gives you a perfect balance of texture and flavor. Salted caramel ice cream. A perfect mix of sweet and salty. It's creamy, buttery, and melts perfectly on your tongue. Rose ice cream. Delicate and fragrant rose ice cream has a soft floral taste that feels elegant and sweet. Pistachio ice cream. Nutty and creamy pistachio ice cream has a smooth texture with a slight crunch from real pistachios. Black sesame ice cream. Popular in East Asia, black sesame ice cream is nutty and slightly sweet with a unique dark color. Coconut ice cream. Creamy and tropical coconut ice cream gives you a taste of the beach with every bite. Mango sticky rice ice cream. Inspired by the Thai dessert, this ice cream combines the sweetness of mango with the chewy texture of sticky rice. Ube ice cream. Made from purple yams, ube ice cream has a sweet, nutty flavor and a beautiful purple color. Wow! Who knew there were so many unique ice cream flavors that taste amazing? Which one would you like to try first? Ice cream isn't just a dessert, it's a whole experience. Let us know in the comments which flavor sounds the best to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such content.